Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we got another 330 video. We're going to be doing an upgrade on the brakes. This is a cosmetic upgrade. It's not a performance upgrade, but it makes the car look really good. I had done this on my other E46 a while back. It always looked good, so I'm going to do it on this car as well. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. You guys can do this on your car. It doesn't matter the make or the model, but let's get to it. Let me show you what we're going to be doing. Alright guys, so these are the tires we got on the last video. If you guys haven't checked that video out, go check it out, drop a like and subscribe to it. Alright guys, so we are back here. We got the wheels off. We're going to clean up these rotors and calipers. As you can see, they're really rusted. This one's getting a lot cleaner now. Angel's got it cleaned up. We're going to finish cleaning this side up, do the other side, and we're going to get these calipers and brake rotors painted. If we have time, we'll do the back, but we're definitely going to do the fronts today. Let's keep going here. We're going to get them all cleaned up. We'll take them off, we'll wash them off, and then we'll get them painted and primered. We'll show you guys all the steps there. Let's keep going. Alright guys, the rust on the caliper is not as bad as on the rotor. The rotor is really heavy rusted. So I took out this little sander here, Snap-on one. This one gets the job done. It's got a rough pad on there. Got all the big shit off, so now we can go over with the wire wheel and get it cleaned up. So I'm gonna hit the other side. Angel's gonna hit this side, hit the caliper and hit the rotor, and I'll get the other rotor cleaned up. We'll get these painted. Okay guys, we got the calipers pretty cleaned up. We bagged up the hubs right there so we don't get no paint on it. So we're gonna go ahead and primer this and then get some paint on it. We also got the caliper brackets cleaned up. We got them sanded down, took down some of the castings, so that way it looks a lot smoother. So these are ready to primer as well. Let's get to it. And we got the rotors also masked up, ready for paint. So these are almost ready. So we're gonna be laying some paint here pretty shortly. there a little bit. Here, then we'll flip it, we'll do the actual visual side, which is this side right here. It should look pretty good. Sorry guys, I was not recording when I started laying the paint, but here we are, laying it down. Make sure we hit both sides evenly. So that's the first coat, guys. We'll let it cure a little bit right here in the sun. We're gonna go ahead and hit the calipers now. Got this one ready here. Start hitting it. This is the difference when you grind the castings off. So as you can see, this one's really smooth right here, no casting mark, and you can see this one has that line right there. I could have grinded this one off too, but it's the bottom of the caliper, you're not going to see it, so I did do this one since this is the top, and I did the top of this one as well, which is on this side, so it's kind of hard to see with the light, but it's going to look really good. Once it dries up, we'll get everything installed. All right guys, so we got 2 coats of blue on the rotors. I don't know if the light looks really good on the video or not, but in real life, man, these things look amazing. Got the caliper, looks really good too. I hope you guys can see the quality in this video. Definitely see the wear. These pads are pretty worn down already, so they were due for the new ones. So we're gonna get the new ones inside the caliper now. It's gonna be one on the inside, one on the outside. This is the outside one. This one's just gonna lock out here with a clip, but let me get the inner one first. Also guys, make sure to get your sensor for your brake reinstalled inside there. Just clips onto the back of the brake. Not sure if you guys can see it. It's on there right there. Alright guys, so that's what it looks like right there. Got the caliper on, got the caliper bracket, brand new brakes. So now we're gonna get the wheel on. We'll see what it looks like installed with the wheel. But as you can see, stands out pretty good. So you guys can see, looks really good behind the wheels. Aluminum wheels with the blue brakes. Stands out with the white car. Looks fire, man. Sometimes video does do no justice. You gotta see it live. All right, guys, there it is on the ground. Looks fucking good, man. Wish you guys could see it. Looks a lot better in person than it does on video. But if you guys go ahead and do yours, pretty sure you'll like it. You won't be disappointed. So today we did the front. Tomorrow we'll do the rear. We won't be putting that on video, but if you guys follow me on Instagram at Louis328i, you'll be able to see the car finished with front and rear. So for now, we're gonna call this a wrap. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give us a like, subscribe, and drop any comments below if you have any questions. But most important, guys, subscribe. It'll help grow the channel. You guys will be able to see more videos like this. So catch you guys on the next one. Peace.